For this lesson, you're going to need a straight edge, a pencil, an eraser, and a piece of blank drawing paper. We're going to start out just by drawing a square or a rectangle in the left-hand corner. And then I'm going to add a vanishing point in. We're going to be using a 1-point perspective for this whole exercise. So I'm going to pick one point that all of my shapes are going to come back to. With the straight edge, I'm going to go from each point of the square and line it up with my vanishing point and draw the receding line back. Then I'm going to draw parallel lines to the square itself. So I'm making sure that I'm lining up with those original square lines and drawing them just a little bit further back on those receding lines, so it almost looks like my square is floating in midair, and now it's three-dimensional. Here's me drawing several shapes. I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. Receding lines going back to my vanishing point. Parallel lines that are mimicking the front of the square, but just a little bit further back on that receding line, or also known as orthogonal lines. And I can erase those other receding lines so it looks cleaner and nicer, and I have space for more shapes. The idea of this exercise is to fill your page with different geometric shapes and then make all of those shapes three-dimensional with the one singular vanishing point. So I want you to try and do rectangles, squares, triangles, even circles like I'm showing you here. You can draw from just the edge, the very outer edge of your circle, back to that vanishing point. And your final practice piece should look something like this. You can use a pen. You can also do a little bit of shading if you like, and make those shapes look like they're interacting with each other in space.